Hi, on this video I will be talking to you about a risk screen. This is where you can perform risk analysis on your project. Now, even if you don't know anything about risk analysis on those intimidating terms like P positions or distributions, don't worry. In Nodes and Links you can perform risk analysis just by clicking a button. Navigate on the AI QSRA risk screen and just click on the AI Run button. The AI will assign a risk profile on every single activity based on performance of past activities and will simply deliver the results for you. Just like that. Now, this screen is designed having in mind simplicity and efficiency. It's organized on the steps that one follows during a risk workshop: duration uncertainty, risk events, and results. On duration uncertainty, you can see a list of activities organized on WPSs. You can define the duration uncertainty of an activity just by clicking here and saying this activity will take 6 days minimum, 21 days maximum, and 15 days most probable. You can select the distribution and you're done. Now, we know that if a schedule has 20,000 activities, you will have to repeat this process 20,000 times. And this is a lot. So we offer you quite a lot of shortcuts for that. The first and most powerful one on your tool set is AI. By clicking this button, you automatically tell the AI to assign a risk profile to that activity. Notice two things. First of all, the AI is transparent. You can see the values that the AI gives. Secondly, if you don't like it, you can just disable it. And that's very powerful. So you don't have to use AI on everything. You can use it on everything or on nothing. Or the best case scenario is when you're focusing on the critical path and maybe 200 activities, and you let the AI handle the rest. The second tool that we offer is the templates, where you can with one click assign a risk profile on an activity from low to high. I will say in future videos how you define these things. The third tool that you have at your disposal is inheritance. By clicking inherit, an activity will inherit, or a WPS, its values from the parent WPS. So for example, here, as you can see, I click inherit, 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 and by changing the value at the WPS level, everything changes below. Notice that if I don't want to do that on everything, I can simply remove it, click here medium, and now even if I change something, notice that this activity remains as is. We also offer comment functionality because we believe in collaboration. So I change the risk profile. Done. And that way everyone can see those comments, what you did and why. We also offer powerful filters. For example, you can remove completed activities and many others. And we also offer you the ability to import the schedule either from an Excel or from the previous update, because when we want to minimize the work you have to do from update to update on your risk workshop. Now, next one is risk events. Here you assign risk events. Simply click a button plus on an activity, assign the risk event, and you're done. Notice that also inheritance works here as well. So by adding something on a WPS, everything below that's inheriting values will take that risk event. You will see that there's also a score that tells you, which is based on the risk severity, basically based on the risk events that you have assigned on this activity. You can also leave the same comments here. Finally, if you want, you can create a risk event on the spot, just like that. See, the idea is that we don't want you to be going on multiple screens. We want the bulk of the work to be happening on this screen. Finally, there's the results screen. Here you can see the results for its activity after you've run QSRA analysis by clicking on the Run button. On the results screen, it never really takes more than 5 minutes to run the risk analysis, to be honest. You can see the results for its activity WPS, its graph, the P80 and P95 positions, although with hover you can see every single P position, deterministic date, minimum, maximum, mean, and median dates. It's very powerful, even though it's simple. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed it, and future videos I will delve into more details.